Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add cash or money to Cashapp. So the first thing that you need to do is to open Cashapp and log into your account. After you do that, the first thing that you need to do is to click on the last button on the left down corner. As see from here, this is the button, you need to click on it. And after that, you need to click on add cash button. From this menu, you can actually see your balance, you can see everything you have. You need to click on add cash. After you do that, now you can actually add any amount of cash you want. You can choose one of these fixed amounts, or you can click on the three dots to add a custom amount. So if you click on the three dots, you can actually choose any amount you want. As see from here, you can just write any amount. And after that, you need to add your debit or credit card or your bank account card. So you need to add the debit card number, the month and year, for the expiration date. You need to add the CVV code or the security code. Also, you need to add the zip code, then click on link card. Now we can just accept the payment and it will be transferred from your bank account to your Cash App. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.